Credit Suisse executives faced intense grilling by U.S. senators today over allegations the bank helped U.S. clients avoid taxes. The hearing comes on the heels of a scathing report released by the Senate Permanent Subcommittee on Investigations. The report said Credit Suisse bankers used secret elevators, created offshore shell entities, and hid account statements in a Sports Illustrated magazine in the alleged tax evasion scheme. Credit Suisse management, including Chief Executive Brady Dugan, acknowledged there was misbehavior by a small group of rogue bankers.
Credit Suisse's management team regrets very deeply that despite the industry-leading compliance measures we put in place, we had some Swiss-based private bankers who appear to have violated U.S. law.
But they said the bank did not have a systematic problem and top management weren't involved. Mr. Dugan also said the bank had cooperated with U.S. authorities to the fullest extent possible to hand over names of U.S. clients. But Credit Suisse management cited Swiss bank secrecy laws that would make them vulnerable to prosecution if they provided all the client names. They also said the Senate still hadn't approved a protocol to a tax treaty between the U.S. and Swiss governments, which would also allow Credit Suisse to provide more names. But Senator John McCain and other subcommittee members didn't buy it.
Indeed, Credit Suisse prospered for years by not requiring its U.S. clients to be tax compliant. While it made some changes to its internal policies, it was slow to ensure sufficient compliance by its U.S. account holders. Even today, the bank still must answer for decades of ill-gotten profits.
The senators also harshly criticized the U.S. Justice Department for being ineffective and dragging its feet in pursuing the tax evasion cases. The agency indicted 7 former Credit Suisse bankers in 2011, but none have faced trial or U.S. extradition requests. The DOJ settlement negotiations with Credit Suisse are ongoing. Today's hearing could put more pressure on the agency to obtain even bigger fines from the bank. This is Gina Chan, Financial Times, Washington, D.C.
Role in enabling U.S. tax evasion.